Welcome to the introduction of the LTN Simulator. My name is Poppy.
And my name is Denek.
And we will guide you through this video. In growing urban centres, traffic congestion and its associated problems are becoming increasingly problematic. To address these issues, cities are exploring various solutions, one of which is the implementation of low traffic neighbourhoods, or LTNs. To understand the potential of LTNs, we developed a programme simulation for Exeter's Heavitree area, which is currently undergoing an LTN trial conversion. The simulation allows users to place various filters along roads, controlling traffic flow in different ways. For instance, a user can implement a blocker that completely stops all traffic, or one that permits only cyclists.
Our intent was to provide a model that would allow evaluation of the criteria such as mean and aggregated travel time or noise pollution for each of the possible configurations. This minimizes time spent trialing the LTN in the real world, preventing as much disruption as possible. This video will explain in greater depth the aims of our project, how it functions, and will play for you 3 simulations.
Where to put the blockers within a neighbourhood is not readily apparent. Each possible configuration of blockers needs to be evaluated for how it affects each of the criteria, and these tests take a long time when executed in the real world, causing discomfort to local inhabitants. The team has proposed using a simulator to address this issue. Evaluating the configuration in a simulator first allows for the discovery of promising solutions, whilst discarding those which would cause undue hardships.
The simulation has the neighborhood represented as a graph through which the travelers move. Each traveler has their daily agenda and is physically present in the simulation. The travelers have a maximum speed, acceleration, and cannot pass through each other. They also maintain safe separation, enough to stop before colliding if the other vehicle immediately stopped, and let pedestrians pass. The program also allows for barriers to be placed throughout the neighborhood. There are various types of barriers available in the menu. They can be placed manually to simulate any sort of traffic restriction.
Here we show 3 simulations. In the first simulation, we show the basic neighbourhood with no barriers placed. It serves as a baseline to compare any other barrier configurations against. The second simulation has barriers placed in excess and, as we can see, they disrupt an effective flow of traffic. This leads to an increase in travel time. The third simulation has barriers placed that block heavy traffic. This significantly reduces noise pollution in the neighbourhood, as well as directs the flow of traffic.
The optimal placement of barriers within LTN is a complex problem due to multiple competing objectives. There may be configurations that are better in all objectives than some other, but in most cases this will be a trade-off between the different competing objectives. It is also important to look for good solutions and to test them before committing to them, because a bad solution may be worse than no solution at all.
The simulator is still an ongoing project, and more features are being developed. To follow the development process and to try it yourself, check out our website. Give it a try and find a good barrier configuration for Heavitree.
Thank you for watching.